about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it is time for another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase to be careful. Let's teach you that first. How do you say 小心？声音 Okay, that means be careful, especially when you're on the streets, when you're crossing the streets. Even if you're, following traffic rules, you should always be careful. 其实在外面啊，开车走路啊，格外小心。So let's put you in this scenario where you got to be careful when you're on the road, especially if there's something happening on the road. 比如说红绿灯坏掉了。
哇，那就塞了。
Oh no, the traffic lights are broken here. 糟糕，这里的红绿灯坏掉了。
惨嘞。亚威基，抢风灯。
Fight it， 这个教过嘛？坏掉了，你的阿达玛 fight it 也是坏掉了。
我的阿达玛没有坏掉。
坏掉 ，fight it，that means it's broken， OK？
是红绿灯。
是红绿灯啦，对，红绿灯刚刚说怎么说？
抢风灯 ，OK？ 不是抢红灯的，不是抢红灯，千万不能。
对，是红绿灯的意思 ，that means traffic light，all right？And then 惨嘞，就是糟糕了 ，Oh no，Oh crap， 糟糕。There are a lot of cars here, so please be careful when you're crossing. 车子很多，过马路要小心哦。
茶的暗道，高台路，爱生意哦。茶的暗道，高台路，爱生意哦。
要高台路，
就是过马路
的意思。
那个路很大。
台路大路。
对，大路不是小路哦，所以是马路啊。
Okay, 台路 means the street, the road, the big road. Okay, and so if we see a truck, let's let it pass before we cross. Okay, 我们等这台卡车过了再走吧。
电压台，拖拉庫，高鐵，張行 ，OK。電壓台，拖拉庫，高鐵張行。
這個拖拉庫 that means a truck， 然後過去就是高鐵 ，OK， 然後再走這樣子。張行 ，OK， 張行 that means then we cross， OK。Let's wait for this truck to pass and then cross the road。這是上之選了哈。All right, let's review some of these phrases, such as the traffic light， 紅綠燈。搶風燈 and then to cross the road 過馬路高台路 and then a truck 卡車就是拖拉庫這很好學了哈 Alright, and we're all asking you to be careful whatever the case is on the streets 要小心聲音就是小心 Alright, that does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT
是母太嘎
俺只say張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.